Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn areas related to circle, part 8. We will discuss few questions. Let us see the first question. In figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with the center O. We can see where is AB and CD. They are diameters of the circle having center O. Perpendicular to each other. Here AB is perpendicular to CD. And OD is the diameter of smaller circle. OD is the diameter of smaller circle. If OA is equal to 7 centimeter, this length OA is equal to 7 centimeter. Find area of the shaded region. So let us see how to find out area of the shaded region. Here shaded region are one small circle is shaded and also two segments are shaded. For small circle, we will be able to find out area. How do we find out? Using area formula pi r square. So if this is 7 centimeter, OA equal to 7 centimeter, it is understood OC also 7, OB is also 7. And we will be getting DO or OD is also equal to 7 centimeter. If OD is the diameter of the smaller circle, the radius of the smaller circle, we can get it from this. We can write it as radius of smaller circle. Okay, radius of smaller circle equal to 7 is the diameter, so 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay, so we will be able to find out what is area of the smaller circle. After that, we have to find out what is area of the segment. Two segments are of same size. Therefore, first let us find out one segment. How do we get a segment? Area of the sector BOC we have to find out. See, this is a quarter portion or we call a sector, quarter. So, they are perpendicular to each other means it forms a 90-degree angle there. So, in order to get the sector area, we know it is theta by 360 into pi r square. Since it is 90 by 360 into pi r square. From area of the sector, we have to subtract area of the triangle. Again, we have to think what type of triangle it is. It's a right triangle because given that these diameters are perpendicular to each other. That means angle BOC equal to 90 degree. Therefore, we can say that triangle BOC is a right triangle. So, we can subtract area of the right triangle from area of the sector. Therefore, we will be getting what is area of the segment. Then we have to multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 so that you will be getting both the sectors area. So let us start with the smaller circle's area. Let us find out area of the smaller circle using the formula. What is the formula? Area of smaller circle equal to pi r square. Okay. Area of smaller circle equal to pi r square. Okay, so let us take the value of pi. That's equal to 22 by 7 into r square. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So that cancelling is easy here. So you will be getting it as 11. So 77 by 2. How much it is equal to? Isn't it 38.5 cm square? So now we got what is area of the smaller circle. It is 38.5 cm square. Now we are going to find out what is area of the segment. I think directly we can substitute, that will be better. Area of minor segment, it is area of minor segment. That's equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Any one of the segment can be. Only one segment we are finding out. So area of the sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square. theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus area of the triangle. As I told you, it's a right triangle, so half BH formula. We have to substitute now. So what is R is equal to? Very simple, because we have almost completed our lesson. Only few more questions are remaining. You'll be knowing what is the formula and how to substitute. So this is equal to 90 by 360 into pi r square. Pi value we have to substitute 22 by 7. Radius, it is understood for sector. The radius is 7 centimeter. 7 into 7. Okay. Here the radius for the sector, it is OB or OC, or we can take OA. That is the radius. Okay. So radius equal to 7 into 7 minus half into base into height for the triangle BOC. Half into base OC, height OB. So OB and OC both are equal to 7. So half 7 into 7. So many cm square it is. Okay. So let us divide it. You will be getting it as 4 times 90. 1 time 7 getting cancelled. Here we cannot cancel. So we will multiply 22 into 7. Again 4 2 times 2 2s. Then 11 times 77 by 2 minus 7 7s are 49 by 2. So many cm square. So let us subtract it. Both are having same denominator. When we subtract, what do we get? 77 minus 49, that's equal to 28. Common denominator we have. So this is equal to 14 cm square. That is area of one minor segment. Okay. Therefore, area of both the segments here we have to find out. Area of both the segments. How to get that? Area of both segments equal to 2 into 14. That's equal to 28 cm square. Now we have shaded area as area of the circle plus area of both the segment. Therefore, area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. Together we are going to write. That's equal to area of circle. That already we have found out it as 38.5 cm square. Plus area of both the segment, it is 28 cm square. We have to add both. What do we get now? 0.5. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 remainder. 3 plus 3, 6. 66.5 cm square. That is the total area which is shaded. Let us discuss the second question. Area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 cm square. So area of equilateral triangle ABC is given to us. Area equal to 17,320.5 cm square. It is written that it's an equilateral triangle and its area given. If it is an equilateral triangle, area formula we know. Isn't it root 3 by 4 a square? So given that root 3 by 4 a square is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. That is area of equilateral triangle formula. That is 17,320.5 cm square. What is this A means? It is the side length AC, AB or BC. So we will be able to get A from or the side of the equilateral triangle from this. Okay. Now with each vertex of the triangle as center, a circle is drawn with a radius equal to length of the side of the triangle. So radius is length of the side of the triangle. Here 2 radius comes, that is from here to here as well as from here to here. With each vertex of the triangle as center. Here A is a vertex, B, C. They are the centers. With vertex as a center, circle is drawn with radius equal to length of side of the triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. Use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 equal to 1.73205. For 5 decimals, it is given to us. So let us start with it. As I have told you, root 3 by 4 a square is equal to 17,320.5 cm square. Therefore, a square is equal to 17,320.5 divided by, here root 3 by 4 will come as into 4 divided by root 3 into 4 by root 3. So root 3 value we will apply 17,320.5 into 4 divided by root 3 value is given as 1.73205. Look at this. These digits are same. That is the clue here. It's easy to simplify. As this digits are same, let us see the decimal. Here we have 5 decimals. So let us multiply by 1 lakh. So when I multiply by 1 lakh, I have to do it in numerator and denominator. So here also I am multiplying by 1 lakh. Okay. So what happens? The decimal will move to 5 places to the right. So 173,205, and then we'll be having 4 more zeros. So I'll be writing it as 10,000 here. Okay, so 10 I have used for moving the decimal to right, one decimal right, and the rest of it 10,000 I have written here, divided by here this 1 lakh completely used for multiplication. So we are getting it as the number 1,73,205. 73,205. Okay, so here we will be able to cancel. Now we got the same number. So here we have the number. Let us write it as 2 square. 4 is 2 square, and here we have 100 square. Okay, that is same as 2 into 100 is 200 square. So 200 square. So a square is equal to 200 square. Therefore, what is a is equal to? A is equal to 200. Therefore, a is equal to 200. So one side we got now. One side, that is AB equal to BC equal to, we can write it as equal to AB equal to BC equal to AC. This is what we got. Therefore, what will be the radius? Isn't it half of 200? This is the total length. A is equal to 200. So, therefore, 100 plus 100. Radius will be 100. So, it comes in centimeter. Radius equal to 100 centimeter. What is the use of radius here? We have to find out area of this shaded region. What is it actually? We have to see the triangle ABC, equilateral triangle ABC, from which we have to subtract these 3 quarters, not quarters, these 3 sectors. This area we have to, this unshaded portion we have to. It is not quarter. This sector is having angle 60 degree. Why is it so? It's an equilateral triangle. So each angle is 60 degree. Here also it is 60 degree. So how to get this shaded region? That is area of equilateral triangle ABC minus 3 into area of sector. 3 sectors are there. They are equal. Therefore, area of shaded region equal to, how to find out area of the shaded region? Equal to area of equilateral triangle minus 3 into area of sector. Now just a substitution only. Area of equilateral triangle is given to us. It is 17,320.5 cm square minus 3 into area sector. Area sector formula we know, theta by 360 into pi r square. Now substitution for this, what is pi value? 22 by 7. Here already it is mentioned. Okay. Pi is 3.14. So we have to substitute 17,320.5 minus 3 into, as I told you, equilateral triangle is having angle 60. 60 by 360 into 3.14 into radius we have found out 100 into 100 pi r square. That's why. Okay. So here we have to cancel and get the value. How to do that? 10 can be cancelled. 6 6 are 36. 3 1 time. 3 2 time. Now let us cancel 2 with the 100. Become 50. Okay. So 17,320.5 minus, here we have 3.14 into 100 is 314 into 50. Let us do that. 17,320.5 minus 314 into 100 will become 3.14 into 100 will become 314 into 50 it is. Okay. 314 into 50 we can multiply 17,320.5 minus give 0, 5 4s are 20, 1 into 5 plus 2 7, 15,700 it is. So many cm square. Now do the subtraction, get the answer. What do we get as answer? You have to do the subtraction. 0.5 0 2 6 1. Okay. So many cm square. That is the area of the shaded region. Hope you understood. Here we are considering equilateral triangle from which we are subtracting 3 sectors. So for getting the sectors radius, we have used the formula √3 by 4 a square is equal to area of the equilateral triangle. Here we are going to discuss the question from areas related to circle. Let us see the question. A square handkerchief, 9 circular design, each of radius 7 cm are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief. So in the question it's clear that there are 9 circular portions and each one is having radius 7 cm. Let us take this. And here you can see radius 7 cm. Radius equal to 7 cm. So what will be the length of the side of the square? So it's given that it is a square handkerchief. So what will be the length of it? So it will be, how many radius will be there? We have to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 radius are there, isn't it? So 6r is equal to side of the square. Side of square is equal to 6r. 6 into radius. 6 radius you can see. 6 radii. So 6 into 7. 6 sevens are 42 centimeter is side of the square. So from area of the square, from area of the square, if you subtract area of these 9 circle, you will be getting area of the remaining portion or shaded area. How to get area of the shaded portion? That is area of the square minus area of 9 circular portion. Area of, as in the question it is remaining portion, area of remaining portion equal to area of remaining portion equal to area of the square minus area of square minus area of 9 circles. So here area of the square we know. What is area of the square? Isn't it a square or side square? Side square minus area of 9 circle, that is 9 into pi r square. Okay, so here pi value 22 by 7 we can use. The reason here is 7 is the radius, therefore it is easy to cancel. So side is 42, so 42 square minus 9 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so what is 42 square? 42 into 42, you have to multiply and find out 1764 minus, cancel this. So 9 into 22 into 7 we are getting, it is 1386. So many cm square it is. That's equal to, now subtract it and get the answer, 1764 minus 1386. How much we get? 8 plus 6, 14. 9 comes. 9 plus 7, 16. 4, 4 plus 3. So 378 cm square. This is equal to 378 cm square. That is the remaining area or shaded area. In this question, in the given figure, OACB is a quadrant of a circle. OACB is a quadrant of a circle with the center O and radius 3.5. So here OB equal to 3.5 centimeter or OA is equal to 3.5 centimeter. The same figure, this portion I have drawn here. Now in NCERT textbook, we have only this much figure. Okay, so this is 3.5 centimeter. If OD is equal to 2 centimeter, OD length is 2 centimeter. So OD here it is 2 centimeter. Find the area of the quadrant OACB, that is OACB quadrant. Is this quadrant 1 by 4 of pi r square? So first question is area of quadrant. Area of quadrant OACB. OACB equal to 1 by 4 of pi r square. So pi value is not given. So let us substitute 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into radius is given as 3.5. Is it? So radius is 3.5, that is same as 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is 3.5. R square we need. Be careful while substituting. So this is how we are getting. We can cancel. So 22 and 2, 11 times. Nothing else I think. So here 11 into 7, 77 minus 4 2s are 8. Okay, 77 by 8 cm square. Now comes the second part of the question, shaded region. How to get this shaded region? Is it a part of the quadrant? From quadrant, you have to subtract the area of the triangle. As it is a quadrant, it's clear that this angle is 90 degree. So it's a right triangle we have. We have the base OB 3.5 and height 2 centimeter. Or you can consider 2 as the base and height 3.5. There is no problem. So half BH formula here we can use for finding out area of the triangle. Therefore, area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to area of quadrant minus area of triangle BOD. This triangle is triangle BOD. Same thing. Okay. Now just substitute this value. Here you will get the answer by substitution. Area of the quadrant already here we have found out 77 by 8 cm square minus area of triangle BOD by half BH formula. Substitution again, 77 by 8 minus half into base 3.5 means it is 7 by 2 into height 2. If you want to write it as 3.5, there is no problem, you can do that. So better we can cancel. Here you are getting the value 77 by 8 minus 7 by 2. So 7 by 2, it can be simplified very easily. How do we do that? As 8, here we have to multiply by 4, that will be simple. So 77 by 8 minus 7 4s are 28 by 8. So both are having same denominator. Now let us subtract 77 minus 28 divided by 8 cm square. So subtract it, we are getting it as 49 by 8. So let us divide and find out the answer. What is 49 by 8? We can do the division. 49 by 8. 6 8s are 48. Subtract, give the decimal 1 time. So here 8, 2, 0. 8 2s 16, 4. It is completely divisible. Okay. So here we have the answer. What is it equal to? 6.125 cm square. That is the area of the shaded region. Hope you understood. Bye.